Alright, nope.
Off me, bro! Get off me!
Get on your stomach.
He needs to get off of me. My mom is calling me. Stop. I don't give a handcuff me. No one's taking it that serious, nigga. Throw this up. Y'all are so unnecessary. Y'all can all leave my
A simple traffic stop shifts into a tense standoff. Officers push for a search, hinting at unseen danger, yet offer little reason. The driver stands firm, guided by his rights, letting calm determination guard his freedom.
Okay, where are you trying to get her to?
I want her in Lippa's office. At this point now, she needs to go to the front office.
Alright, I'm gonna tell. This is what I'm gonna tell you, okay?
You probably need to give the phone over to Corporal so you can talk to Mom. Or I can talk to Mom.
Either we go to the front office or they've already said. Alright, they've already said you're suspended, so if you go in that building, I'm gonna put you in
Y'all
cuffs.
are literally on me right now. Back the up!
Alright, nope.
Off me, bro! Get off me!
Stop.
Get the off me!
Stop.
Get the off me!
Stop.
Right here is the turning point. The officer warns the suspended student she can't go back into the building, and within seconds, things escalate to physical force. In most U.S. states, refusing to follow a lawful order on school grounds can lead to detention or arrest, but the level of force used will always be judged by whether it was reasonable under the circumstances. That's why moments like this get so controversial.
Get off of me! Ooh! Oh my! Get the off of me!
Stop.
Off of me! Off of me!
Stop.
Get the off of me! Oh, he's literally banging my head off!
Stop.
Get the off of me!
Stop resisting.
Get the off! He needs to get off of me, bro! I just banged the out of my head! He just got banged the fuck out of my head! Get the off of me!
Stop.
He just got banged the fuck out of my head! Get the off of me!
Stop.
Now, the student is alleging the officer hit her head on the ground. If that happened, it could raise serious legal questions. Officers are trained to avoid injury during restraint, but in the heat of a struggle, both sides may feel force differently. This is exactly the kind of claim investigators will look at frame by frame later.
Bro, my head literally is
All right, get on your stomach.
Get the off of
Get
me!
on your
I'm not doing
stomach.
bitch!
Get on your stomach.
He needs to get off of me. He's
Get
literally-
on your stomach.
Get the off of me! He literally banged the my head. Get me the off the ground! Get the off of me, bro!
This thing is unnecessary.
It's no, my mom is calling me. Stop!
Told you were suspended. You were asked to go to the front office. You were asked to go to the front office.
Off of me! Get the off of me, bro! You're weird! Get the off of me! No, get the off! Oh, get the off! Get the off of me! I don't give a Listen, stop touching me!
Alright, get on your
You're literally
stomach.
touching me right now, dog.
On your stomach.
Off of me! I'm not going nowhere till my mom gets here, bro. What the
That's not how this works.
You need to do what he's asking.
You're doing this for no reason right now. What the nigga? Get the fuck off. Can you get the off of me? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Please get off me. I don't like it. I can't breathe. I please don't like it. Okay, I'll get up. Just please stop. Okay, I'll get the
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not getting on the floor. Pick me up and I'll put them behind my back. I will
That's not
once
how
I
we're
get
doing
the
it.
up.
That's not the case.
My God, I'm not going on my back. He could literally handcuff me.
Okay, then allow him.
Okay, he's pushing me down though. I can't
Give me your arm. Give me your
I'm
arm.
not getting on the floor. I'm standing the up.
Get me your arm.
I'm
No,
standing.
you're not getting up.
He just said I can.
Behind your back.
I'm not standing. He's not pushing me on the ground. He's
All right, put your hands behind your back.
up. I'm gonna stand the up. What the am I gonna do?
No, I said no.
I don't give a handcuff me. No one's taking it that serious, nigga. Throw this up. Y'all are so unnecessary. Y'all can all leave my That was unnecessary as I was walking the lunch. Now I have to put me on the ground, bitch.
That's 037. I got one to take.
There's no reason right now. Why are you doing that tighter? No one was
Probably like 310, 3 traffic cleared at 1028.
Bro, you're typing it for no reason right now. Oh my God. Can you loosen it? There's no reason for this.
3 to SO, 3 is assist and out of 4, 55 you from the front office.
Dumb. All you
West.
My office.
stop pushing me around on toilet.
Out of 3 copy.
No, come on.
Someone's pinching me.
I'll be able to fix it.
Someone's pinching me right now.
I'll be able to fix it in there.
No, fix it right the now. Unnecessary. I don't know what the y'all are doing. Shit school.
Go ahead.
Can't do y'all worry about the drama.
Doing 2 separate
You guys don't
calls.
want to y'all, but y'all are arresting me for y'all so dumb.
Put everybody else on it.
Good. Alright. I'm gonna go down here, take a right, and then take a left. You got your pair? Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these off you. You're gonna put your hand on top of your head afterwards, okay? That way we can put different ones on.
Now let's go to SSG 121.
That hand on top of your head. Put it on top of your head first.
22.
That one on top of your head also. Or,
So, you want to take your bracelets off and leave them with your mom, or do you want them to go with you?
You want to take it?
What about your neck?
Did we take it off?
yeah, they're gonna make you take all that off. We'll give it to mom.
You got some anklets?
I can't take off.
Okay, I got you. You're not gonna pull. Is that it?
Yeah, that one can't come off.
Those can't come off.
You gotta shove your nose ring all the way up in there. What? Just take off the nose ring? They might, I don't know.
They probably will make you take it off.
Shove it in there.
You already have the PC I gave you, right?
You have anything in your pockets? What's this?
$1 in there, yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Just gonna make sure you don't have anything in your pockets, okay?
I think there's a mint maybe within there.
A mint?
There's 2 of them. A what?
Alright.
A mint.
Like a Tic Tac or a mint?
Whoops.
Oh, the things you took from me?
Yeah, there's another one right here. Like we got a necklace or a rubber band.
In the end, the student was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. That doesn't just mean hitting. It can also include pushing, pulling away, or even trying to prevent the officer from doing their job. For a minor, this is a serious charge that can follow them for years, even if the case ends in juvenile court.
What's that? Your mom? Yeah, absolutely. You want to get the rest of her stuff?
203 reference or 20. I'm gonna go and get you started that way. There's like that's a signal 4 with an 81-year-old male conscious breathing.
Like I said, they'll call you here in a little bit to come pick her up. Like I said, that's if she doesn't point out. I cannot imagine with this being her first arrest that she would point out.
Okay.
So no promises because I don't have the...
The search never begins, consent is withheld, and the law holds its ground. Knowledge overcomes pressure, showing how steady resolve can defend liberty. The officer steps back, tension easing. The encounter closes without charges, and the driver leaves the scene, safe and in control of their rights.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.